We're starting tonight off with a story we've been continuing to follow. The civil confinement of the so-called South Hill Rapist could come to an end as soon as next month. Attorneys for both sides of Kevin Coe's case were back in a Spokane County courtroom this morning. KREM 2's Shannon Mowdy explains what we know about his potential release.
Tonight, we've learned the Washington Attorney General's office does believe the court will grant Coe's release in the next 2 weeks on October 2nd. It was back in January when Coe's public defender asked for an end to his civil commitment. Coe's been involuntarily confined to McNeil Island since 2008 after a jury found he met the definition of a sexually violent predator. By law, the state must evaluate him every year and prove he's mentally ill and dangerous to keep him confined. In a July 2024 report, a psychologist with the Department of Social and Health Services, DSHS, reported Coe no longer meets the criteria. The report shows Coe had no disciplinary incidents at the Special Commitment Center, but did repeatedly refuse to participate in sex offender treatment and education and work opportunities at the center. It also noted his severe depression and deteriorating health, including heart disease, stroke, and mobility limitations that left him using a walker. The psychologist strongly recommended he be placed in an adult group home to continue receiving daily assistance. We have also learned a separate psychologist picked by the Attorney General's office agreed with the assessment. Coe himself is asking to be moved to an adult family home in Spanaway, Washington. He'd still be required to register as a sex offender for the rest of his life, according to Mike Falk with the AG's office. Falk also said the AG's office is offering resources to Coe's victims as the news of his likely release is undoubtedly traumatic. Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.